Iveco Defense Vehicles, IDV, and BAE Systems Hägglunds formalized a strategic agreement aimed at bringing the BvS10 all-terrain vehicle into service with the Italian armed forces through localized manufacturing. This collaboration will combine the engineering strengths of both companies with Italy's domestic industrial capacity to create customized variants tailored specifically for Italy's defense needs. The move is designed to enhance Italy's defense independence and secure its military supply chains. The BvS10 is a unique articulated armored vehicle featuring two tracked modules linked by a central joint. The front section houses the driver, while the rear compartment is configured for transporting troops or cargo. Known globally for its exceptional off-road mobility and modular framework, the vehicle is capable of operating in extreme environments ranging from deserts to Arctic zones, making it ideal for rapid deployment in multinational missions. Tommy Gustafsson Rask, head of BAE Systems Hägglunds, highlighted the importance of this partnership not only for Italy's national defense but also for strengthening the European defense industrial base. Claudio Catalano, CEO of IDV, reiterated his company's dedication to delivering modern military platforms aligned with the evolving operational requirements of the Italian Army and Allied forces. The BvS10, developed jointly by BAE Systems, UK, and Land Systems Hägglunds, Sweden, boasts impressive performance figures. Powered by a 250 horsepower Cummins engine paired with an Allison MD3560 automatic transmission, the vehicle can reach speeds of up to 65 km per hour on land and 5 km per hour in water, with amphibious capability activated in under 2 minutes. It offers a payload capacity between 3 to 5 tons and an operational range of 500 km. In terms of defense capabilities, the BvS10 Viking can be armed with roof-mounted machine guns, 7.62 mm or 12.7 mm, and supported by smoke grenade launchers. Its modular design allows the integration of additional armor kits and remote weapon stations. The base armor protects against 7.62 mm armor-piercing rounds and artillery shell fragments at safe distances, with mine protection at STANAG 2A/2B levels achieved through specialized kits and RPG defensive cages. Multiple variants exist, including troop carriers, ambulances, command vehicles, logistics carriers, recovery units, and mortar carriers. Currently, the BvS10 serves several European militaries including Austria, France, the Netherlands, Sweden, the UK, and Ukraine. Its deployment has proven successful across diverse operational theaters thanks to its versatility and ability to traverse challenging terrain inaccessible to conventional vehicles. The agreement with IDV ensures Italy's adoption of the platform will align with existing user nations' logistics and boost interoperability in joint missions. As a subsidiary of the Iveco Group, IDV brings experience in producing military vehicles suited to modern battlefield requirements, while BAE Systems continues to provide cutting-edge defense technology worldwide. This partnership marks a critical step in strengthening Italy's military autonomy and underscores a wider European trend toward cooperative industrial defense projects. By localizing production and customizing the proven BvS10 design, Italy aims to reinforce its defense resilience, improve operational readiness, and ensure long-term capability within NATO and allied frameworks.